haven't even started greasing yet and there's already grease on the camera. Okay, we're mostly done greasing. You lifted your axle up. Oh. So we got a late start today. The humidity was pretty high. The forecast says that it's supposed to be raining for a week or more straight. So we took the broke down header this morning back to the yard, packed our lunch, and then came out here since the humidity was too high. But it is now 2:30 and we're in some pretty decent wheat. It's making anywhere from 40 to, I've seen it get up to 70, so it's pretty good. It's irrigated. The moisture is 12. Right here it's making 65. So my mom is leading and I'm following, and Cody's coming to get us because right now mom is 81% full and I'm 78% full, so we're getting pretty full here. In my first video I was saying how the way we lay out stuff, it's nice until you get in really good weeds or any good crop, and then the grain cart has to really be booking it. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I mean. But since she can't dump right now because she is wheat locked, I'm gonna go ahead and try to dump and save some time. The outside was not too good. I don't think it got enough water, so it was making like 20s on the outside. So that's why it's averaging 44 right now, is we haven't cut enough actual irrigated wheat for it to even out. It's a little bit dusty. So I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but this is my dad's friend's header that we're renting until our other header gets fixed, because the parts on that other header won't get here until I think Saturday or Sunday. So something really cool happened today. It's something really little, but it kind of means a lot. So I posted this picture on Instagram and it has outside versus inside, and it's a picture of dibs, and then I tagged John Deere in it, you know, just, I don't know, just because, and they responded. Look, they commented, both look good. Isn't that so cool? I see it was when I took off there, yeah. Weird. The gauge wheel without the tire, and wants to go on a transport and is like dragging the ground. Okay, I'll pull over and do put me in there. We didn't have a pin that was small enough to go in there, so he's gonna go find something. It just came unlatched, so it's not that big of a deal. You just latch it back. But the pin makes it where it doesn't unlatch, so it's still functionable. Cody's got a high coolant temperature error, so that's normally what happens when you follow too close to a combine and it gets all the dust on the radiator. It heats up, so they're about to blow that out. This reel is being really weird. Like, there's space right here, and then you go to the other side, and there's not space. So it's like down on this side, and then on this side it's like up. And I've put the reel down and then put it back up to like reset it, and that doesn't work. So I guess when I come to the end, I'll have to pick it all the way up, so that way it levels out, and then put it back down and see if that works. Do this. While we're turning, make it all the way, drop it down. Aha! That was thick. We're in the red on the engine load. Bathroom break. Soak it in. So we finished that field, and now we're going to be going to the next one. But first, Cody will have to dump what he has on that truck because he was full, and then he'll come get me and Mom, and then we will be taking headers off and moving to the next field. So we're moving fields, and I found a lonesome wolf on the side of the road, so I had to pick him up. He's a turd, don't let him fool you. So we got to the new field, and this is like really good wheat. It's making anywhere from 60s to, I saw like get up to 98. My average is 37 because the outside didn't get watered by the pivot. So I just got done with the turn rows, and now I'm putting a hole in it. So we're gonna work the south half first, and then we will do the north half second. It's making anywhere from low 60s to, I saw it peak up to, I think 98 one time. You cannot tell me that is not the most satisfying thing ever. He will sleep like that all day. I'm not even joking. feel like everyone knows what I'm about to say. I mean, why not? I mean, come on. I haven't turned on the camera in a while. We're still going back and forth. It is 9:54 and this is the last pass for tonight. And we are going to bed. The humidity I think is 80% and we're down to 2.5 miles an hour. That's all she wants. We're grinding on it still, so I think we're gonna go to bed pretty soon. It has been a long day. I got terrible news. Dad wants us to blow off the combines. Oh!